Welcome back for an update on our container home build. Ben, our plumber, arrived to install the copper piping for the bathroom and kitchen to finish first fix. Next, we installed some wooden supports between the metal framing. We'll screw the partition walls into these to give it strength. We then got a delivery on site of Rockwool, which is a type of breathable insulation. We then cut this up and stick it in between the framing and in front of the spray foam. It's really good stuff because it stops a lot of sound and most importantly is non-flammable. We did run into a problem when installing it. The spray foam had been oversprayed, meaning it was too thick to fit in the Rockwool. We spent days trimming it back. This is where things get exciting. The window fitters arrive, and when they attempt to install the 2 meter by 2 meter pane of glass, it accidentally smashes. It was a sad moment for us and the company, but these things happen. They cleaned up and continued on with fitting the 5 meter bifolding door. Make sure you head over to our Instagram for regular updates, as so much has happened since. Thank you.